My fascination with fair foods began 3 years ago, when I spontaneously road tripped to the Texas State Fair. What I discovered there set me on a nationwide quest to document the most outrageous, delicious, and unforgettable fair foods across America. These aren't just meals, they're unforgettable experiences that represent American culinary creativity at its most adventurous. Let me take you through the 5 most incredible fair foods that absolutely must make your bucket list. Coming in at number 5, the deep-fried butterballs from the Iowa State Fair. I still remember my first bite. Crispy golden exterior giving way to a molten butter center infused with honey and cinnamon. The contrast between textures creates an unexpectedly harmonious experience. Introduced in 2011, this creation quickly became legendary, selling over 10,000 orders during its debut year. The secret lies in the flash freezing process that allows the butter to melt precisely as you bite through the protective batter coating. The Minnesota State Fair's turducken sandwich on a stick claims our number 4 spot. Imagine tender layers of turkey, duck, and chicken, each distinct yet forming a perfect unity, skewered and served with cranberry aioli. This labor-intensive creation requires nearly 3 hours of preparation for each batch. The careful brining and precise cooking temperatures ensure each meat maintains its unique character while blending harmoniously with the others. The third position belongs to the iconic Krispy Kreme burger from the California State Fair. This sweet savory revolution features a perfectly grilled beef patty nestled between 2 glazed donuts, often topped with bacon and cheese. My first encounter with this creation left me speechless. The warm donut glaze melting into this savory burger created flavor dimensions I never knew existed. Over 20,000 of these are sold during an average fair season. Soaring to number 2 is the legendary deep-fried cola from the Texas State Fair. This innovative treat transforms cola-flavored batter into crispy fritters topped with cola fountain syrup, whipped cream, cinnamon, and powdered sugar. Inventor Abel Gonzalez Jr. spent 6 months perfecting this recipe before introducing it to the world. The technique captures the essence of cola in a warm, dovey treat that delivers unexpected bursts of familiar flavor in a completely new form. Finally, claiming the crown at number 1, the hot beef sundae from the Indiana State Fair. Don't let the name fool you. This savory masterpiece layers mashed potatoes, slow-roasted beef, rich gravy, and cheese, topped with a cherry tomato. The visual deception of looking like ice cream, while delivering a comforting hearty meal, makes this both visually stunning and deeply satisfying. It represents the playful spirit of fair food culture perfectly. What makes these creations truly special is their limited availability. Unlike restaurant dishes, these foods exist for just a few magical weeks each year, adding to their mystique and appeal. These culinary adventures aren't just about the shock factor. They represent American regional food traditions pushed to their creative limits. They celebrate the uniquely American willingness to experiment with flavor combinations and presentations. Nutritionists from the Mayo Clinic note that while these foods shouldn't become dietary staples, occasional indulgence in these cultural experiences can be part of a balanced approach to food enjoyment. Moderation remains key to enjoying these treats responsibly. Beyond taste, these foods create powerful shared memories. Research from Cornell University suggests that novel food experiences strengthen neural connections associated with memory formation, helping explain why fair foods often become cherished, lifelong memories. The economic impact of these iconic foods is substantial. The Texas State Fair alone generates over $50 million in food and beverage sales during its annual run, supporting countless small businesses and entrepreneurial food creators. Each region's signature fair foods reflect local agricultural strengths and cultural heritage. The Iowa Butterballs celebrate the state's dairy industry, while Texas barbecue traditions influence their fair offerings. If you're planning to explore these culinary adventures, timing your visit strategically can enhance your experience. Weekday mornings typically offer shorter lines and fresher preparations than peak weekend hours. Consider sharing these indulgent treats with companions to sample more varieties while managing portion sizes. This approach maximizes your tasting adventure while preventing flavor fatigue. Remember that staying hydrated between these rich foods helps maintain your stamina for a full day of fair exploration. I always carry water to cleanse my palate between these intense flavor experiences.